Yeah, Charlie Gray says when he received the results of that rapid test, it said negative. So feeling relieved, he planned a weekend trip with his family. But a few days after coming back, he discovered that he had in fact tested positive for coronavirus.
Yeah.
Charlie Gray says he feels fortunate that he didn't spread the COVID-19 virus to his family after receiving a false negative test result back in September.
It was very concerning. I felt obligated to let folks that I'd come into contact with over that 48-hour period know that my first test came back negative, my second one came back positive.
Primary and urgent care centers all across Richmond say they've been inundated with calls for appointments. People who want to get tested for the virus out of an abundance of caution, especially with the recent surge in cases. While PCR tests are considered the most accurate form of testing, the results of that test takes about 2 to 4 days. While rapid antigen tests can come back in a matter of hours, they are most effective on those showing symptoms early on in the illness or when a person has a high viral load. That's why doctors warn that rapid tests should not be used to make a determination about whether someone is virus-free.
Let's say yesterday I was exposed. If I go get tested today, I won't be positive. But in 2 or 3 days, I might turn positive and I will start being infectious and spreading it even before I have symptoms.
Gray says he received both tests to determine whether he had COVID-19 when he experienced mild symptoms. While the rapid test came back negative, it wasn't until a few days later that the PCR test confirmed Gray had the virus.
You really can't base life decisions, medical decisions, exposure decisions for you and your family and friends on the rapid test alone.
Well, doctors warn if you want to see your family over the holidays and you plan to travel, that you should also have other precautions in mind, such as wearing a mask, practice social distancing, as well as frequent hand washing. It's also advised that if it's possible to have family gatherings on Thanksgiving outside as opposed to inside. Reporting live in Chesterfield County, Tracy Sears. Now back to you.